Polar bears. Polar bears are big bears. They are the biggest land predators in the world. Polar bears live where there is lots of snow and ice. Polar bears have thick fur. The fur is all white. The only part of a polar bear's body that does not have fur is its black nose. Polar bears have lots of fat under their skin to keep them warm. Polar bears are huge animals. A male polar bear can weigh more than 1,500 pounds. That is more than 8 grown-up men put together. A polar bear standing on its back legs can touch the rim of a basketball hoop. Polar bears live in the Arctic. Most of the year, polar bears live on top of ice that covers the ocean. Some polar bears live on land for part of the year too. Polar bears eat meat. Their favorite food is seals. Sometimes polar bears eat whales or walruses too. Mother polar bears dig a den in deep snow. Soon, 2 cubs are born in the den. After a while, the cubs come out of the den. Their mother teaches them to hunt. Polar bears that are good hunters can live more than 20 years. Polar bears spend their time alone. They do a lot of swimming. Polar bears can swim fast and far. Polar bears spend a lot of time hunting too. To catch a seal, polar bears sit by holes in the ice. They wait for seals to come in the holes for air. Then they grab the seals with their strong claws and teeth. Today, some people go to see polar bears in the wild. Other people watch polar bears at zoos. Sometimes they can see the polar bears swimming underwater. It is exciting to see these big bears up close. A polar bear story. Why do bears have short tails? Native Americans used to tell a story about this. They said that a bear wanted to know how to fish an icy lake. A fox told the bear to put his tail through a hole in the ice. The bear did. When he tried to pull his tail out, it was frozen in the ice and ripped off. From then on, bears had short tails.